Hello, my dears. Welcome to my cozy kitchen. Today, I'm making one of my all-time favorites, sweet little meringues. I hope you'll bake along with me. We'll need 3 egg whites to start. Let's weigh them so we know exactly how much we have. Begin whisking the egg whites until they get nice and foamy. Now, we'll add twice as much granulated sugar as the weight of the egg whites. For me, the egg whites weighed 60 grams, so I added 120 grams of sugar. Always use regular granulated sugar. Powdered sugar just won't do the trick here. Once the sugar has completely dissolved, we'll add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This will help the meringue become beautifully glossy. Keep whisking until the meringue is thick, shiny, and holds stiff peaks. I chose a classic piping tip for mine, but feel free to use whichever one you love most. Let's gently fill our piping bag with the fluffy meringue. A tiny dab of meringue under each corner of the parchment paper will help it stick to the baking tray. I always prefer using parchment paper. The meringues come off so easily once they're done. And now for the best part, let's pipe some adorable little meringues. You can make tiny flowers, sweet little swirls, or whatever your heart desires. This is your time to have fun and be creative. If any little peaks stand too tall, you can gently smooth them down with a spoon to make everything nice and tidy. I like to dry them in the oven at 70 degrees Celsius, without the fan on, for about 2 hours. They're just perfect for decorating cakes, or for nibbling on whenever you need a little treat. Since they're so tempting, I usually tuck them away safely in a box so they don't disappear too quickly. If you love sweets as much as I do, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next delicious recipe.